Oh, very good. What does he make a dual carriageway? What's your understanding? How does he make a dual carriageway?
How just smoother flow of traffic.
Yeah, but how do you come to understand that? You said I'm driving on dual carriageway, very happy. What is your understanding that how will you tell somebody that this is how the dual carriageway will look like, and that's what the definition of dual carriageway?
Faster speed, 2 lanes,
Is it?
dual carriageway.
Yeah. So dual carriageway doesn't mean that when you drive and 2 road makes is dual carriageway.
So 4 lanes.
No. Even 1 lane can make it dual carriageway.
Yeah.
Why and how? No, how? Something divides the both sides of the traffic in between. Like now, what's the dividing? Then bollards, then pillars.
Line.
You know, the middle wall.
Yeah.
And if it like is a trees or grass or something, you know, and even if it's a single lane going and coming, that will make it dual carriageway. So dual carriageway definition is something divides the both sides of the traffic going and oncoming with something in between the road.
Yeah.
Normally it's just a center line, isn't it? That marking white line. But if it's like physical stuff like trees or wall or bollard or something, a metal barrier, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That will make it dual carriageway. Slow. Traffic light, stop it. Is that understandable?
Yeah.
So now tell me, how does it make it dual carriageway?
There's a big bollards in the middle,
Yeah.
and there's 2 lines separating
Each
both
side
lanes.
of the traffic light now,
Yeah.
yeah? So related things with this dual carriageway and separate road, there is a national speed limit sign. You know how does it look like?
It's 70.
Yeah,
70 on motorways and 60 on
dual carriageway
yeah.
and 60 on single carriageway. How does he make a single carriageway then?
Just 2 lanes.
2 lanes, nothing in between, like this.
Yeah, different
Oncoming
directions.
and going as well, yeah?
Yeah.
This is only going one side, but if it's oncoming and going, then it is. We'll go in next left. What do you do?
Indicate.
And before indicate, see, mirrors.
There's, yeah.
On the roundabout, you will go straight, second exit. Straight, second exit. Try not to cross the hands. Ethan sir, try not to cross the hands. When you cross the hands sometime, when you do quick steering back right or left, your hand will get stupid. You'll be ending up breaking the arm. Yeah? Sometimes you have to do sharp steering, isn't it?
Yeah.
For some scenes. But then you will end up breaking your wrist or fingers or something. At this mini roundabout, you will go left, sir. Pull up on left at a safe place. Slow down on the middle road here, on the middle of this road. Slow down, come off gas. Don't try to park double parking here.
Yeah, no.
Double parking will make it. It's a wide road here, maybe fine, but you know, try not to. Now check center left mirror, left signal. Yeah. Secure the car. How many? Cancel signal. How many things I've taken control here?
The pedals,
Pedals,
partly.
and
Steering, but when you need to.
little bit steering, but mostly on pedal, because you might have could have been ending up there or could not make the right decision. But before you slow down and stop, you check your mirrors, give signal, and slow down your car
Yeah.
to come to stop nicely.
Yeah.
To visit somebody here, you need to know how to stop. So you move off when you're ready again. We clean the screen first. Front one. Looking over right shoulder, last minute. So whichever way you steer last minute, like here you've stayed right, isn't it? You look right there. Look that way, whichever way you steer last minute, which makes sense, yeah? Turn right at the end. And that applies here as well on all junctions. So when it comes to move off after safety, you look in both sides, you know what I mean? And when it comes to you come out from here, your steering will be going right, so you look on right hand side then, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it safe for you to jump from this place?
No.
It is. You could have gone into that middle gap.
Oh.
When it's situation like this, when the red lights is blocking for the right hand side, yeah? You could have gone. But missing one time, no problem. You will pick up next time, yeah? That skill will be for the future. Where did you get this hat from?
My dad gave it to me.
Oh, that is very generous.
Yeah.
Does he love you?
Yeah.
Does he say I love you, Ethan?
No.
He don't say that.
Yeah.
Why do you think he don't say that?
Because it's you don't have to say it.
Tell him something here, Dad, when you watch this video, I love you. You say to him you love your dad.
Well, I'm not gay for him, so.
Eh?
I'm not gay for him.
But does he not say, oh Ethan, I love you, you're my son?
It might have.
In past.
In the past, yeah.
But not now.
Not now.
Well, why don't he say that now?
Don't need to.
Don't need to.
Oh no, I already know I don't need to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And do you say to him, Daddy, I love you?
No.
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 You don't need to understand that either now that you don't love him. You don't want to say that. You have a love for him. You love him. He's your dad, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you don't want to say that now. Is it? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But tell him, Daddy, watch this video and we're talking about you. I'm gonna break your gear stick. I'm gonna get familiar with that, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you approach to a roundabout, you will be going straight second exit. Can we just slow down now? I know you like revving up and going a bit more faster way. Eh?
Oh, second exit.
Second exit, you don't need to do nothing here, not signal, not whatsoever, only looking on right hand side. That's it. And now tell me, the way that you signaled, what does it represent? Car behind.
Tells you where I'm going. Tells him where I'm going, sorry.
But you going second exit, and that signal represent for this exit, isn't it? But you're not going in that one.
Second.
So that signal was for the first exit. Ease off the gas. Now what do you do here to tell them? Hey, good boy. Are you missing signal because you're trying to go faster and you're missing out bits then, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to play a nice song for you when you put it on a fast forward and you're missing all the words they're talking about. You know what I mean? What do you think? What's this flashing top lights called?
It's lights to tell you if it's zebra crossing.
They are zebra crossing, yeah?
Warn you if it's zebra crossing.
But what do you think? When did they come into force in this country? When did they come?
Was it the 60s or 50s?
1935.
Alright.
And what does them lights, the circle lights is called? Normally it used to be old one like the ball in it, like, you know, like circle, round ball. You know what I mean? The ball type. Now they are the new version of it. Do you know what's those actual bulb called? One that flashing like this.
Amber light.
Militia beacons.
Right.
You know what they called? Militia beacons.
Beacons.
And you know what's this name? Where did it come from?
Not sure.
In 1935, that was the first time in UK the driving test was introduced.
Right.
And the Minister of Transport in 1935, do you know who was the Minister of Transport?
No.
Hor Belisha.
Right.
On his surname, the zebra crossing came up. And it says they will be called the Belisha beacons. At the roundabout, you will be going right. You will go a bit more slower from this cycle, even though he's in cycle lane, but still, you know, a bit more safer for him.
So,
Okay.
sorry, second exit.
Second exit. Check mirrors first now. Center right. And right. Safe?
Yep.
So what's those lights called then?
Beacons.
Belisha beacons.
Belisha beacons.
When did the UK driving test was introduced?
1935.
Who was the Minister of Transport? Here. Who was the Minister of Transport?
I forgot now.
Hor Belisha.
Right,
History.
okay. History. You know yours.
So you will come to a roundabout, you're going to go left.
Right, okay.
You were just going a bit faster, that's why you are having a problem with the steering. Come off the gas now, follow me. Center left mirror, left signal, flash down. No gas. No gas. Brake. Down to 10. Look at you 14. Follow left, into first gear. Follow left. Look right. Stop. Keep looking and then move nicely. This is how you deal the roundabout, yeah?
Okay.
You're going left in here and heading towards the B&M.
Oh, I've been here before, haven't I?
Have you?
Well, you.
I don't know.
It was in oh no, it was in Aerials.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to keep going forward, close to B&M, and you will be choosing a bay where you will be driving forward into one of the bay. Driving forward into one of the bay.
These are not.
Oh, of course, yes, anywhere now.
Oh,
Slow
I've got-
down. And choose first which bay you
That
will.
one.
No, that's too fast. We're not making good plan here, yes? It's just egg and butter that we want, butter and bread. After that car now, where that car is come up, you go there nicely, slow down,
Yeah.
plan things, look left, right, get your surroundings up,
Yeah.
awareness, and then go. So move a little bit more forward. And then get more space there, yeah? Like this speed that you look in, and then you will be going in. Like this. So stop here and look like this. All round. Good amount. Then, with the dip clutch like this, steer here into the base. When you hear, you slow down here. Then again,
Yeah.
look. Surroundings, yes?
Yeah.
Be aware of the surroundings. Is the steering full lock?
Yeah.
Now, slowly then clutch.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when you take your dad into B&M, let's say the other one, that one is for this next car. So we want to park here. Is that good?
Yep.
How do you know it's in the line?
Mirrors.
Is it in? Which mirrors can you see?
Oh, little ones.
Can you see the white lines?
I see the white lines, yeah.
That's good. And that's how you want to make sure that the car is good. Yes, and you are in line, and this is how you keep your observation. So learners, this is how you do the bay parking. See how Ethan did in his second session. Say them. Watch, subscribe the Mr. Butt's YouTube channel.
Watch and subscribe the Mr.
Butt's.
Butt YouTube channel.
And go on to TikTok as well to, if
go on
you
to
want
TikTok
to
as well,
understand
if you
what
want
the
to.
driving is and how you like it, because it's only your second session. And where do you drive? Tell them.
I drove to
Be a media person.
B&M, and I went on the dual carriageway, and I went on some roundabouts, and I've learned quite a lot.
Learn.